Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 23rd, 2021, and this is our lookout live stream session to where everyone can get prepared and see what is going to go on into the cryptocurrency space or even the stock market. This is the opportunity for all of our artisan members to give us the opportunity to look at varying different charts that we really don't cover here on this particular channel. And if you're not an artisan member or even an apprentice member, I want to show you all before we get started in the particular charts that our artisan members want to see. I want you all to listen to our advertisement in order for you to all join and participate while we do these live streams. So just take a quick second. It's not that long, and I just want you all to listen to this real quick.
Glad to see you made it here. Congratulations. We have the most interesting perks packages that makes an excellent choice. 2, for instance, enables you to participate in our daily or live stream price prediction videos. The first is our Apprentice perk. This perk enables you to participate in predicting the market moves in a fun, social way. You'll use our custom market call emojis to describe your thoughts and achieve recognition while at it. You'll also receive access to our loyalty badges to let everyone know that you are a proud backer of HueFin News. And at HueFin News, your recognition goes a long way. You'll be recognized with every comment you leave on our videos and contributions on live streams with our loyalty badges. The second perk is our Artisan perk. This has the greatest value. The Artisan perk not only gives you complete access to perks from the Apprentice membership, but enables you to choose a price chart that you'd like for us to review during our The Lookout live stream sessions. In these sessions, you'll have ample opportunity to express your thoughts on the market moves, contribute, or ask questions. We're bringing these 2 amazing perks to enable our supporters to engage better with us. And we're the only channel on YouTube that does this. Don't hesitate to join the elite community. Snag out the Apprentice perk at just $1.99 a month. or the Artisan for only $4.99 a month. Why wait? Go trade differently.
So there you all go. If you guys want to participate in our Lookout live stream sessions, you have to become an Artisan member. We send out a community post to our members and get an idea as to what charts they want to look at. So if that is interesting to you, there is a join button on this particular channel. Just click on that. You're able to pick out whichever perk you would like to use. And then from there, you all have access to our massive community of followers. All right. So I also want to plug you all into our second channel. HueFin News 2 is only for stocks. We're going to place all of our stock predictions on that particular channel there. We're going to segregate our cryptocurrency price predictions alongside our stock price predictions. We're going to separate them and just have them on separate channels to try to alleviate some of the confusion from the YouTube algorithm. So if you would like to see more of our stock price predictions, make sure you head on over to our new channel for stocks. The link will be placed in the comment section so you all can find it real easy and subscribe there as well. Okay, so the first chart that we're going to look, I also want to make mention that we do have two new community members, Agaze and Martin. These two individuals recently signed up as Artisan members. We want to say thank you to both of those individuals. We appreciate you all supporting this particular channel. Continue to watch these videos so hopefully you all can continue to learn more about following the trap. Okay, we only have 4 charts to look at today from the community post that we sent out. There's only 4 charts that we need to reveal and get an update as to where price is going to go. Okay, the first chart was from Cisco. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin first, and as you all can see, the market in Bitcoin is in a downtrend. So we did a video about 2 days ago in the market in Bitcoin showing the volatility and the anticipation that the market was going to go lower. And as you all can see, that is precisely what occurred. The market in Bitcoin did go lower. Now, the question is the market weak, or are we going to find an area of support relatively quick, and are we going to go higher in price? That is the question that we're going to answer today on this video. So to all of our community members, to everyone, what do you think the current state of Bitcoin is? Do you think the market is strong or weak? Leave a comment in the comment section. Because what we're going to do, we're going to look at the market in the long term in Bitcoin to see how low can the market really go. XRP Tiny says that Sunday we will know. We will know what, XRP Tiny? We're trying to figure out if the market in Bitcoin is weak or is it strong. Let us know. R. Williams said that the market in Bitcoin is strong. Anybody else? Appreciate that, Marvin Holding. We appreciate you watching the videos, giving you all a heads up as to where the market is going to go. Oscar said the market is neutral. All B says that the market is weak. Okay. So you all can see from the comment section that we are getting a mixture of what Bitcoin is. Appreciate that, Williams. All right, so let's look at this a little bit farther. Jackie says that the market is strong. Shakeout is in progress. The Wells and the Fed. All right, so we got a couple of strongs, one neutral, one weak. Marvin said he wants it strong. Everybody wants Bitcoin to stay strong. Prince says that the market is strong as well too. Well, let's take a look at the chart because the trap tells us everything we need to know. Okay, so let's look at this real quick. Now, we're going to look at this from a wider perspective in time. Okay, we're not going to look at this on a daily basis, and we're going to see where Bitcoin is headed. Okay, now we're going to look at this market real quick on a weekly time frame. All right, so there's no doubt about it. You know, everyone can tell Bitcoin has been in the news, mainstream media, social media, all over the place of how almost seemingly every day it was making all-time highs, right? Well, over the last 2 weeks, the market in Bitcoin has done a pause. It's been restricted into breaking price above $44,000. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, we will have the market go higher and lower in Bitcoin, but right now, the current state, when you look at these 3 weekly price bars in combination, the market is losing out on that strength right now. Okay, so seeing how we're close to the end of the month of January, take a look at this 3-week price bar. What do you all think about that? Look at the volume as well as the price bar in combination. You have to look at that together. Okay, so look at the price bar as well as the volume on this 3-week price chart and let me know, what do you all think? Because at this 3-week price bar, it looks like the market is on pause. It looks like the market has endured more selling than there are buyers, right? You would take that in consideration. And we have 1 day and 6 hours left before this current 3-week price bar ends. Now, if we close below the close from this last completed 3-week price bar, see if I can zoom in, we will not be expecting the market in Bitcoin to go higher in price, right? There was more selling going on into the market in Bitcoin than there were buyers. This is what the 3-week price bar is telling us. Okay, so we got that. So on the monthly time frame, we have 8 days and 6 hours left. We're closing on this monthly price bar in Bitcoin. We're closing well off the highs. I mean, the market in Bitcoin for the month of January came all the way up here to $42,000, right? Adrian says that people are scared. Yeah, I best believe that a lot of people are scared, especially those who bought Bitcoin up there towards $42,000. Jackie said that we're going to go sideways or down. Okay, I agree with you on that one, Jackie. Dr. Mar, Bitcoin seems to be in a consolidation mode, which means an altcoin rally is already happening. I agree with that. The altcoins, seemingly almost every one of them are seeing a higher price at the moment. AJ said that the market in Bitcoin is going to go higher in price. He's real amped to see the price of Bitcoin go higher. He wants the price to go up to $100,000. But when you take back and look at the view of Bitcoin at the moment, I mean, we had 3, almost 4 fantastic months in Bitcoin. Fantastic. Like the opportunity, the market strength in Bitcoin started in October. And every month following, the spread got wider and wider. The only thing that is different between the current month of Bitcoin versus the last 3 months is look at where the market closed. The market closed in October for Bitcoin at the high. It did the same thing in November at the high, and it did the same thing in December. It closed all at the high. Well, take a look at January. Where are we closing the market in Bitcoin? Off of it. The market is not closing up here at $42,000. So we need to understand that there has been more selling going on into the market in Bitcoin for the month of January than the past 3 months. So we're not really expecting the market in Bitcoin to go higher at the moment, right? So let's take a look at Bitcoin on 2 month. See, every price chart that we look at, we're seeing the market in Bitcoin close off of the highs. That lets us know that the trap is not filling the strength into the market at this particular moment. So cool, we got that. So how low do you think the market in Bitcoin is going to go? We've established that the market in Bitcoin is weak. How low do you think it's going to go in price? How low? Leave us a comment in the comment section. Tell everyone how low you think the market is going to go in Bitcoin. We already came and touched $30,000 yesterday. Can we go down to $28,000 or even $26,000? Where do you think the market in Bitcoin is headed in the long term? Dan said the Bitcoin is going to go down to 25K. XRP says the same thing, $25,000. Anyone else? Where's Bitcoin headed? Because one thing that we try to say on this particular channel is that we got to get in a position. Oscar said Bitcoin's going to go down to 26,000. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look and see where we think the market in Bitcoin is going to go. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and already tell from a daily basis that the market in Bitcoin already came down to $30,000, right? The next logical area for the market to come and hold support in Bitcoin is around 28. Okay. $28,000. That is still in play. Okay. What has occurred into the market yesterday in Bitcoin simply lets us know that the market dropped too fast, too quick. Okay. But the downtrend in Bitcoin is still in play, especially if this market cannot reclaim price above $36,000. Okay. Until we see the market come up and crack above $36,000 to the upside, this downtrend is still going to be in play in Bitcoin. All right. Now, on this next leg down, if the market in Bitcoin still holds $30,000, that's going to be support. Now, on the weekly time frame, $26,000 is definitely a possibility when you look at this in the long term. 28,000 as well. So the weakness in Bitcoin, no doubt, is here. I'm not going to state that the market in Bitcoin is going to go all the way down to $25,000 just yet, but $26,000 to $28,000, I would definitely put that in range to a logical area that we could see the market in Bitcoin go, I would say, over the next 3 weeks to a month. Okay, so for the month of February, we can definitely see Bitcoin come down to $28,000 to even $26,000 per Bitcoin. But that's only under the premise that the trap closes price below $30,000. So we all need to keep our eyes focused in on $30,000. Weakness comes in on $30,000 again, then $26,000 likely is going to be support. And sadly to say, that 25K is going to be next too. All right. So that is the first chart. Okay. We all stated that Bitcoin is giving us some weakness, and we all have given a price prediction as to where we expect Bitcoin to go. We said 25,000. Some said $27,000 to $25,000. I think I'm in agreement with that too. So we're going to look for Bitcoin to continue to trend lower, but we are going to pay attention to $40,000. I'm not 40, $30,000 to see if the trap's going to come in and grab support. All right. So the next chart that Cisco wanted us to look at was Kyber network. So let's go ahead and check out Kyber real quick. So now we're looking at Kyber on the Binance exchange. Okay. How many of you all look at Kyber? Do any one of y'all take interest in the Kyber network cryptocurrency? Definitely let us know whether or not you think the market in Kyber is strong or weak. This is Kyber right here on the daily time frame. Do you think the market in Kyber is strong or weak? Oscar said he doesn't even follow Kyber. Prince AJ, you don't follow Kyber neither? Okay. R. Williams said he follows Kyber. Okay, so a lot of people on the stream right now don't take interest in Kyber, but nevertheless, we're going to look at it anyway so we can learn as much as possible, engaging where the market is likely to go. Okay, so you can see on our particular price chart that we played the market in Kyber on the 21st of January, and we played the weakness into the market, and you can see already that Kyber is not giving us weakness. You might think, right? because the market in Kyber currently is going higher than our expectation of forecast. But pay attention to what's really going on into the market in Kyber. Is the market really strong in Kyber? Emerald said that the market in Kyber is going to go higher. William said that Kyber is strong as well too. So what I would say is that looking at Kyber and our forecast, it seems as if we just have our restriction area too low, right? We had it at $1.30. It looks like the market in Kyber is finding restriction instead at $1.45. That is where it's at, right? I would take around $1.50. Let me show you why. So the last time the market in Kyber was trading around this vicinity, $1.50 was acting as support back here in 2020 of August. You guys can see it. The market in Kyber was holding that area for support. So you would expect us to see some weakness in Kyber at that particular price level. Okay. And even this area is going to be acting as restriction too, $1.40, because when you look at the market closure on the 21st, the 22nd, and even today, the market in Kyber is unable to close above $1.40. So that is the ultimate restriction area right now in Kyber. The market, if anything, is anticipated to continue to trade sideways and lower. Now, when you look at Kyber real quick on the 3-day time frame, you can see right here that the market in Kyber is failing at breaking price above $1.50. We need the trap to show us that in order for it to continue to go higher in price. We need to continually see strength come into the market to break this $1.40, this $1.50 to the upside. And right now he's showing us that he's not being successful at it. So we need to make sure that we continue to see that strength in order for us to say that the market is going to go higher in price, right? So generally for Kyber, the market is not strong. If anything, the best thing we're going to get over the next month would be for this market to consolidate, and even so, weakness to the downside. Now that's not a negative thing, because $1.30, even $1.20 are the areas of support, right? All right, so let's go ahead and look at some comments real quick. James at the water cooler said that he thinks Kyber network is a sleeper. I think people are sleeping on it, not paying attention to the market. Oscar, do you agree with the stock to flow model? Based off the price history of Bitcoin and the actual model, it is definitely in line with what is geared to occur. Appreciate that, Crankcode 252. Yeah, James at the water cooler. We usually do VeChain. You could just go back and check out our playlist for VeChain. I think we did one not long ago. If anything, it's in our playlist if you want to go ahead and check that one out. Okay. So in Kyber, we got the restriction area $1.50. Market is weak, and if anything, if the trap comes in and prop up price at $1.30, then it's going to try to crack that 140, 150 again during the month of February. But if not, we're going to come back down to around 120. Okay. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one. So yeah, we're still stating that the market in Kyber is weak, even though you all can see that the forecast that we originally generated was not, or the trap is not going accordingly. All right, so the next one that we're going to look at is going to be Cardano. Okay, we're going to do a very quick look at Cardano. First thing, do you think the market in Cardano is strong or weak? All Bees just went ahead and put in the link to our second YouTube channel for stocks. So if y'all want to see all of our stock price predictions, the link is right there in the chat. So make sure you click on that link and go ahead and subscribe to the channel in order y'all make sure you stay updated on our stock price predictions. R. Williams, if you want us to look at Ocean Protocol during our live stream lookout sessions, you need to become a member of ours on our YouTube channel. The join button should be right next to the subscribe button. No doubt, James, we appreciate you watching. Dr. One Mar says that Cardano looks decent. R. Williams says that Cardano is trending upwards. That is true. Daniel says the market in Cardano is strong, support is around 17 cents. Okay. Yep, Oscar, Cardano looks strong. I agree. Daniel has 32 cents. Jason has a lot of rockets for Cardano. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this real quick because you guys can see we got two predictions going on at the same time in Cardano. We did our last video in Cardano on the 20th. All B's and AJ, they both say that the market is strong as well. I'm in agreement with everybody. No doubt. Cardano is definitely still showing us strength at the moment. Now, we played a weakness on our last video. You guys can check it out on our playlist. We played a market weakness in Cardano. It came to fruition right here. So on that weakness that we played, 14.39% was grabbed out. Excellent. No problem. So that is done. That is over. We could get rid of it. So now here we are. We're still in play to see the market in Cardano and our overall trend of which we stated that Cardano was going to go higher in price. We're still seeing that. And you know why? Because the market in Cardano, even though we endure weakness on the 21st, the market came back up to and above our price of support of 32 cents. We talked about that on the 17th of January, that the trap needs to keep price above 32 cents. And I think that Daniel wrote that 32 cent down in the comment section, letting us know that that is strength. So he is telling us that the market overall in Cardano is maintaining the strength. So actually, the forecast that we generated in Cardano was still in play for two reasons. The first one is because the market is still trading above 32 cents and the market is still trending alongside our ascending line. So nothing changes. The strength in Cardano is still here. Now let's look at this on a 5-day time frame, okay? Because we have some weakness to go through. Okay, we have to let the weakness get out into the market so that the trap can resume back up to higher prices. We have to. So even though the market in Cardano is not extremely bullish, the market strength is still there. And our analysis of Cardano going higher won't change until we see the trap break price below that support area of 32 cents, right? And then it breaks our ascending line. Until that time, we're going to continue to ride with Cardano going higher in price. That's it. Okay. So that one, the one for Cardano, was from Agazi. He's one of our newest members. He wanted us to take a look at Cardano. There you are, Agazi. So now we got one more. This last chart that we're going to look at from our artisan member is from Martin. Okay, he wanted us to take a look at Matic. Now we really don't cover Matic too much on this particular channel, but we can utilize this as a learning opportunity. All right, so to everyone, take a look at this chart and let us know if you think Matic is strong or weak. Look at all the price information that we have right now on the chart in Matic. Do you think the market in Matic is strong or weak? Now we're looking at this on a weekly time frame. Ask yourself the question, what trend is the market in Matic going through? Is the price slowly going higher? Is the price slowly going lower? Or are we simply trading sideways? Okay. What do you all think? Is the market strong or weak in Matic? Prince says that the market is strong in Matic. Anybody else? What do you all think? We need to get in position. XRP said the market is weak. Emerald PI, yes, you're right. The market in Matic is definitely in a sideways trading fashion. It is not in a upward trend, neither is it in a downtrend. Everybody's on point. Okay. Everyone is on point. The market in Matic is definitely trading sideways. Havzit said that the market in Matic is strong. So we got Prince and Havzit said that the market is strong. Oscar, Phantom Beat, Dr. One Mar, Jackie, Emerald all said the market is trading sideways. Daniel said that the market in Matic is strong, but it's losing strength. Okay. So let's check this out. Where is restriction? Okay. Now it doesn't have to be precise. Okay. This is not a science, but it's just we're just gauging the market to see where the trap is having problems. So where is restriction? Okay. The market in Matic is finding restriction between 0.038 all the way up there to 0.044. It's a very wide area, but this is where every opportunity the trap had to come up to this particular area, it got hit. It lost steam. It fell back down in price. That's why we're still seeing that currently on the weekly time frame in Matic. So we're not surprised. Okay. So let's look at the market on a monthly time frame. Now, there's been a lot of interest in the market for Matic for the month of January. I mean, the volume definitely confirms that. We're definitely seeing that the interest in Matic has been on the increase, which we understand because the majority of cryptocurrency space has been on a tear lately. Matic is simply joining along with everyone else. But in order for us to really see the bullishness in Matic occur, it has to break above 4 cents. And right now, he's not showing us that on a monthly time frame. So we do have some areas of support, 0.032 to 3 cents. If he's able to grab that support there, then I would say throughout the year of 2021, he's going to try to break 4 cents. But we have to wait until we actually see that occur, and we're not seeing that yet. Emerald said he'll buy in on Matic, one more down candle, and he'll buy in. He may buy in. I got you. So let's take a look at this on a 3-week time frame. Okay. See, all indications on these price charts is telling us that Matic is giving us a little bit more selling, a little bit more stockpile, a little bit more loss of steam, and enters a higher price, right? And we don't have too much price history up here around 3.5 to 4 cents. We don't. And when you go off prior history, you guys can see the result in Matic, right? So yeah, we're going to expect, well, before I tell you what I think, what do y'all think? Where are we going? Where do you think the price in Matic is headed? Okay, and I'll let you all know my thoughts. Dr. One Mar said that we could be seeing some type of cup and handle forming, i.e. thinking that the market is going to go higher, or y'all think the market's going to go lower? XRP Titan said the market in Matic is going to go lower. Anyone else? There's no right or wrong answers. I mean, we're just simply here to try to gauge what the trap is going to do. Emerald said that the market's going to continue to go sideways and then go up. Mr. Yodolf said that the market is going to go lower. Daniel said the market's going to trade in a range, consolidate. XRP Titan says that the history says that the price is going to go lower. So check this out. This is what I'm thinking. Phantom B says it's going to go sideways, very, very slightly up. Havzit said the market is going through accumulation phase. Jackie, slightly lower down. Bang the Drum says that we are in a full-blown alt season. Everything will go up. Okay. So this is what we're seeing. All right. Havzit said that we're in accumulation phase, and Daniel said that we're going to trade in a range, consolidate. That's what I'm seeing as well, and I'm gonna tell you why. Okay, that we're going through accumulation phase to continue to see the market go higher for Matic. Okay, and the reason why is because look at this price action right here. Okay, I'm gonna circle this for you. Right, there has been a conjunction of transactions that has been going on to the market in Matic that you all can see has not been done ever in this market. Like, we have a lot of price action going on in this range from 3 cents all the way up there to 3.5 that we have not seen at all. Every time Matic came up to these particular price levels, we shot up and came back down. We shot up, came back down. Well, look at this time. Something changed. The trap is telling us that he's more comfortable in keeping price in Matic, at least for the time being, above 3 cents. That is that consolidational accumulation phase. Like, we can actually grasp that the fear that came through in Matic during December 2019 and May of 2019, it is waning. Like, everyone is getting comfortable with the price in Matic staying above 3 cents, or I'll say 0.028. We can use that to our benefit, that the market is not overly weak. So we would be expecting the market in Matic to go a little bit higher in price. I'm not saying that it's going to be a full out up move to where we break all-time highs, but if anything, we can expect the trap to continue to trade this market sideways in Matic and hold that support area around 3 cents. Now, if we break 3 cents, then obviously the market is not that strong, but we're going to continue to expect that to play out. All right. We're going to continue to allow him to trade this market sideways. And as we go throughout time, if he continues to hold this market in this range, it is anticipated and forecast that the market is going to continue to go higher in price. It's just that easy. So yeah, we're going to continue to expect the trap to trade this market sideways in Matic and continue to go higher in price. Now, 0.036 might just be as high as the market go, and then we'll start that moving lower, which is about 5.79% profitability in that particular forecast. So this is it. This is our thoughts. You all have given us your opinion about Matic. Some said sideways, some says lower. And for us, we're going to continue to say the market is going to go higher in price. Thank you, King AJ, for the donation. Appreciate that. So that's it. If you all want to continue to see Or are you interested in looking at other charts that we really don't cover, though anyone doesn't cover? You need to become an artisan member. The join button is right next to our subscribe button. We're going to come through these live streams on a weekly basis to make sure we all get the opportunity to look at a plethora of charts and gauge what the market trap is going to do. Because if anything, that's one thing that we push. We try to get ahead of the game so that we can continue to capitalize on the market. So if you guys appreciate it, if this is very interesting to you, you learn a lot from it, then definitely make sure to join us as an artisan member. So that's all we have for today. We appreciate you all coming. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now you know what to do. Go and trade different. You all have a good weekend.